Synopsys shares initially higher today after the company gave second quarter guidance that beat the street's expectations before turning lower along with much of tech in today's slide. Joining me now is CEO Sassine Ghazi. Sassine, good to see you. Please put the quarter into context for me, but also China, right? You made some comments about this on the call, and with all of the commentary today around tariffs increasing in China, which probably isn't going to be great for the economic situation over there. I'll bet you that didn't help the stock, but tell me about the business and then just how the China piece fits into that.
Hey, John, great to see you. So, as you said, we reported a strong Q1 in line with guidance, actually, on the revenue. It's toward the upper range of guidance. For EPS, we did beat, and we reaffirmed our double-digit revenue growth for FY25. We factored in further deceleration in China, driven really by two factors. The first one is the cumulative impact of entity list and further technology restrictions in China. And two, the macroeconomy inside China remains weak, facing quite a bit of headwind and challenges. So with that, we continued our pragmatic view on China while reaffirming the year.
I spoke with NVIDIA CEO Jensen Huang last night after their earnings, and something he said about startup adoption of AI also made me think of Synopsys. So take a listen.
There's some really fantastic startups that have come out as a result of new reasoning AI capabilities and artificial general intelligence capabilities that they have breakthroughs in, and there's several of them that are related to agentic AIs, really exciting companies, and there's several of them related to physical AIs. There's just handfuls of each one of them, and each one of them needs additional compute.
As these companies work and need additional compute, sometimes they also need their own custom silicon, or at least environments for modeling. To what extent are you seeing that type of company also as a customer in a way that you didn't before?
We absolutely are. Actually, as AI or intelligence in general become more pervasive, you need to make it better, cheaper, and at the end of the day, the way you measure it, is it changing the way you work? And these startups that Jensen is referring to, some of them are creating their own silicon, some of them are customizing silicon through an ASIC supplier, and some of them are just buying silicon from either NVIDIA or other suppliers. For us, all three categories are a great opportunity for Synopsys because we enable that silicon development and the system level. And you and I have talked often about the silicon to system design solution where we offer.
And Ansys is an important part of that. How far are we from you being able to fully realize that combination?
We continue on anticipating, John, that we close the Ansys acquisition the first half of this year. We're making very good progress with the various regulators, and we're looking forward to start integration of the technology once it's approved.